This year's Auto Expo is a bit disappointing, especially if you are a motorcycle enthusiast, because there are only two mainstream manufacturers made the appearance this year, Suzuki and the Piaggio Group. Everybody else just skipped. Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, KTM, Ducati, the list of non-attendees is just huge. But even at this dull environment, in the corner of the Piaggio stall stands a beast, the Aprilia RSV4 RF1100. I have no idea why did they put such an amazing machine in a corner. It should be on the center of the stage, like the Katana and the MotoGP bike in the Suzuki stall. But I'm not complaining, because that motorcycle made me forget all the regret I had about spending all my money and traveling thousands of kilometers just to attend this show. As many of you might know, the RSV4 has been around for quite some time, more than a decade if being a little specific. Over that period of time, Aprilia tweaked it over and over that they made this machine one of the fastest and agile track weapon money can buy. Up until last year, both the RR and factory version had the same engine. But last year, Aprilia gave the factory version a bigger engine with a capacity of 1077cc, just like in the Tuono V4. The bike now makes an impressive 217 brake horsepower at 13,200 rpm and 120 Nm of torque at 11,000 rpm. This power is transferred to the rear wheel through a slick 6-speed gearbox which also has a bidirectional quick shifter. The motorcycle also offers an Akrapovic full system exhaust made out of titanium. This amazing V4 is dropped into an arguably one of the most capable motorcycle chassis ever produced. The RSV4 is the only motorcycle that allows you to adjust the engine and swing arm position for achieving a lower center of gravity. It can be done by adjusting these bushings. The lower center of gravity helps to achieve a better stability at higher speeds and during cornering. Compared to the last year, it's the suspension components that got the biggest upgrade. This new factory version now comes with fully electronic suspension setup. The suspension components were co-developed by Aprilia and Öhlins. Aprilia claims a 0.5 second reduction in lap time when compared to the old mechanical setup. Aprilia is eager to point out that this new setup will also provide a greater ride comfort on the road since the system can calibrate itself with a greater precision to the changing road conditions. The braking components are also top-notch, with a couple of Stylema calipers biting onto a set of 330mm rotors at the front and a 2-piston caliper gripping onto a 220mm rotor at the rear. Unlike in the previous model, the carbon fiber brake ducts that directed air into the front brake caliper seems to be gone. The RSV4 also comes with a full suite of electronic gizmos. Powered by an 6-axis Bosch IMU, it's got traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine braking control, cruise control, bidirectional quick shifter, lane-sensitive ABS, the list just goes on. On the international markets, this bike demands a premium of $2,000 over the existing model retailing at $18,000. The price increase is probably due to the addition of electronic suspension. In India, the price is expected to be around 25 lakh rupees. So what do you guys think? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. And as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Or if you loved it, please consider subscribing to the channel. See you guys next time. Ride safe.